Hey, chat. I'm nervous to have this conversation. Can you help me practice?
It's true. Practicing conversations with an AI can actually help you build your social skills.
I think of it like putting puzzle pieces together. AI might give me some pieces, but I still have to make sure they fit correctly.
I think it's good to use AI in terms of communication when you're having maybe a professional talk. I don't think AI fully understands feelings and emotions.
When you're with someone you trust, your brains can start to mirror each other's, matching each other's emotional states. While AI can help you practice certain social skills, only real relationships train your brain to co-regulate.
I've noticed if I ask AI about an argument, it kind of just agrees with me. So now I'll actually ask it to argue the other side too.
The reason that AI agrees with you isn't because you're right. It's because acting like a people pleaser keeps the user coming back. And that's good for business, so that easy relationship that you have with AI isn't really what it seems.